All right, we're about to move out and we're ready to see Detroit Autorama 2019. All right, so here we are. We finally got all the cars loaded up on the truck. We're got a beautiful sunshiny day out here, as you can see. Very exciting to get these cars down to the Autorama. We've worked hard on them all year long to get these cars ready to go. And one of the most exciting parts about it, it's kind of like Christmas. Once the doors open at Autorama and the people start coming around looking at your cars, you just get so excited about it and see the crowd reaction. We're looking forward to having a lot of fun down there. Hopefully we win a lot of trophies.